Pagod ng straight sa bahay, you can bring them tomorrow. Now, ito yung squad of yung my food. So, this is good for babies up to 2 months. Kasi 3 months, they would be good and masyado na silang magalaw. So, this is good for 1 month or 2 months old. So, pagka pupunta na for sleep or for sleeping, okay, shoot mo yung ulo, no? Okay? Place mo yung baby and then, andito yung hood. Ito yung specific na use na to. Yan. So, ayusin mo na. Ang purpose ng squatting is just to strengthen the movement in part. So, ang ginagawa natin, kung minsan, you can raise the other arm. Okay, then ilalagay mo ganyan. Cover mo. Kasi pag sabay silang nandyan, the reason is pwede sila maka-clear. Yung ginagawa mo, to restrict the movement. Para comfortable yung infant at the same time, cozy yung feeling niya. Para focus na parang nasa move pa rin siya. Okay. So, yan ang purpose ng squatting. At the same time, raise mo din yung lower part. Okay, then lower the arm. Tapos, itapin mo ng same time you can put it on the feet. Again, natapos niya ito, nagkatulog mo na, na-feed mo na yung arm, hawal yung tulog mo na, and then, you can